are going to see what do you mean by consolidated data in LibreOffice spreadsheet or Excel. Okay, just how to start with. First, you need to input some number. Let's see 12, 13, 14, 15, and in C column I am taking some random data 23, 25, 26 and 21. So what I have to do, consolidate. So for consolidate, click on data, then on consolidate. After we consolidate, what we can do, we have actually two columns, okay, B and D. So first we have to add this. The default file name is sheet1, okay, then full stop. Now it begins with B2. First type B2, then add dollar for fixing the row and column. Now range, you know, again B, it's ending on what, B5, okay, so B5, then again add dollar. Now see, you have added a range where data is present in sheet 1. So now you click on add. Here you can see the range is present, okay. Now see, here we have to copy the result. Whatever the result will be, we have to copy here. So first input is there. Now I am taking E1, okay. So as you can see, I am taking E1, but before taking E1, I want to use the sum. For sum, we have, imagine it is only one column. If I want to add this with this column, possible. If there is only one column, how will I am going to add? In that case, the sum will be same value. But here we have two different columns, so just change this to B to D. On same range D2 to D5, again add. So here you can see something is why this error was there, because I have by mistake I have typed a number. Now here both ranges are there, D2 to D5 and D2 to D5. Now what I want, sum. And गुड मॉर्निंग सर, बोलिए सर। हाँ सर, एक्चुअली अभी थोड़ा प्रोजेक्ट्स के काम कर रहा हूँ, इंटर्नशिप का। So see, two ranges are there. Now I will going to add on what, E. Now click on OK. See, 23 plus 12 is how much? 35. So what we have done, we have consolidated the data, and this is known as consolidation of data. Here in consolidate there are multiple functions, okay. Function, you know, here we can count average, max, minimum. There are multiple functions. You can use all functions here. But how to add range, we have to click on add. This video is only for consolidated data. If you have any query or question, kindly comment on the section. Okay, thank you.